Hi, welcome to the Mathcast for the week of October 8th through October 12th. I'm Mrs. Williams, your math teacher, and these are Miss Williams' children, Rhodes and Rhett. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
So, hopefully everyone has recovered from Betsy Jeff Penn. Hopefully everybody feels good. Everybody ready for school? I know I'm ready for a normal schedule. I hope you had a great time. This week in math, we're going to continue with finding surface area of different shapes with polyhedrons. We are going to be looking at perfect squares and perfect cubes. So hopefully your students will be able to tell you all about that. And hopefully we will get to designing a tent where they have to come up with the measurements and what it's going to look like and all of that for a tent. So I always love that activity. The other thing that may happen this week is a unit test. I hope either Thursday or Friday for students to have a unit test. I'm creating in my classroom a living anchor chart. So I hope to send a picture of that home in this email that went home today, so that you can kind of see what we've covered. We also will be covering units 1, lessons 1 through 19. So any of those summaries are great to just review. This week at Northwest Middle School, we have quite a bit of things going on. There are volleyball tryouts for boys and girls tomorrow from 4 to 5:30. You need to make sure you have your concussion form and your physical, all of that turned in to the PE teachers before tryouts. They have to have all of that. We will have retakes for pictures that were taken a few weeks ago on October 16th. So if you didn't like your picture and you purchased a package, you need to return that to get your retakes, or if you were absent, you can get your pictures taken. Also this week, October 10th, we have a football game versus Southeast. That will be a home game. Hopefully all of you can make it. It's only $2 for students. They go to study hall, and then they're released to go to the game around 4:30, 4:45, I think. The Viking Cash Crusade has kicked off. We are excited about the Viking Cash Crusade. It's a great way for us to raise money for our school. It's just a straight donation. I kind of think of it as filling the ship with Vikings, and so you can get friends or family to make donations, and the homeroom, so if you're in my homeroom, you can get some donations. The homeroom with the most donations usually wins a prize. So I would love to be the 6th grade homeroom with the most donations. Businesses can donate and family members. So grandma and grandpa, aunts and uncles may just want to donate like $10 and help us win. That would be great. And if you're not in my homeroom, then donate too, because it all goes to a great cause. It's a way for us to update technology and get things bought for our school, and it really helps out PTSO. I always get that wrong. Also this week, we have superheroes to fight for Florence. With Hurricane Florence that came through, New Bern was hit pretty hard. So we have adopted a kindergarten class at Oak Bend Elementary School in New Bern. Students have the opportunity to bring change in every day, and they can drop that in buckets near the cafeteria. And then there'll also be student council members outside in the mornings collecting donations there as well. So also on Thursday, October 11th, you can pay to dress like a superhero. So you just bring $1 to school and dress like a superhero. It's really a $1 donation is what we're asking for. I think that's it for announcements, and I'll put those at the end of this video. So, and now for the bonus question. So get your scrap sheet of paper, get mom and dad to sign it. Make sure you put your name on it. I get a lot with no name. So what I would like for you to tell me this week is, if someone asks you how they should find the surface area of an object, what would you tell them? How would you explain to them how they should find surface area? So take a few moments, write that down, and bring that in tomorrow to put in the Mathcast box. That would be great. We hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the morning.